Just saying its name sparks a sense of wonder. It hangs in our night sky, a reddish point of light. For thousands of years humans have looked up, they have seen Mars. They have wondered about this celestial neighbor. Is it another Earth? Could there be beings looking back at us? This curiosity is ancient, it is deeply human. Mars calls to something within our spirit, an urge to understand what lies beyond our own world, to reach out into the vast cosmic ocean. The allure of Mars is powerful. It has inspired countless stories, tales of canals, of ancient civilizations, of strange Martian creatures. While science has painted a different picture, the fascination remains. Mars is not just a planet, it is a destination in our collective imagination. It represents a frontier, a challenge, and perhaps a future. Its rusty hue, a result of iron oxide, gives it an almost mythic quality. Think of it, a whole world, colored like ancient rust, waiting for us to uncover its history and potential. This planet has been a beacon for dreamers and scientists alike, from early astronomers charting its path across the heavens to modern space agencies planning missions. Mars has consistently pulled our gaze upward and outward. It serves as a mirror, reflecting our own aspirations and our relentless desire to explore. Every new image, every piece of data, only deepens the mystery and strengthens our resolve to learn more. Mars is a cosmic puzzle and we are eager to find all the pieces. Why this particular planet? It is relatively close, it has seasons like Earth. It once had a thicker atmosphere and liquid water. These are tantalizing clues. They suggest a past that might have been more Earth-like. Could life have taken hold there? Could it still persist in hidden places? These are the grand questions that fuel our Martian obsession. The Red Planet is not just rock and dust, it is a story waiting to be fully read, a chapter in the cosmic narrative that we are just beginning to decipher. We are not yet able to walk on Mars ourselves, but we have extended our senses there. We have sent robotic emissaries. These are our eyes, our hands, our scientific instruments on the Martian surface. Rovers like Spirit and Opportunity showed us a world of ancient water. They were true pioneers, exceeding their missions, revealing a dynamic past. They climbed hills, analyzed rocks, and sent back breathtaking panoramas. They fundamentally changed our view of Mars from a dead, cratered world to one with a watery history. Then came Curiosity, a mobile laboratory, a marvel of engineering. Curiosity landed in Gale Crater, a place chosen for its rich geological history. It has drilled into rocks, it has tasted the Martian soil. It has sniffed the thin Martian air. Curiosity found more evidence of ancient lakes and streams. It discovered organic molecules, the building blocks of life as we know it. These robots are not just machines, they are extensions of human curiosity, tirelessly working millions of miles away. They are our scouts on this new frontier. And now, Perseverance roams Jezero Crater. This crater was once a river delta, a perfect place to search for signs of ancient microbial life. Perseverance is even more advanced. It carries a helicopter named Ingenuity, the first powered flight on another planet. Think about that, we flew a machine on Mars. Perseverance is also collecting samples, small tubes of rock and soil. These samples are destined for a future return mission to Earth. Imagine the secrets they might hold. These robotic explorers have taught us so much. Mars was once warmer and wetter. It had the conditions that could have supported life. Its geology is complex. It has vast canyons, towering volcanoes, and sprawling plains. The Martian climate is harsh now, cold, dry, with a thin atmosphere. But the rovers show us that it wasn't always this way. They are rewriting the story of Mars, one discovery at a time, paving the way for future human explorers to follow their tracks. The next great adventure for humanity may very well be Mars. Sending humans to another planet is an enormous undertaking. It is a challenge that will test our ingenuity, our resources, and our will. Astronauts will face a long journey, months spent in the confines of a spacecraft. They will travel through the harsh environment of deep space, far from the protection of Earth's magnetic field. This is not a simple trip. It is an expedition into the unknown, pushing the boundaries of human endurance. Once they arrive, Mars itself presents formidable challenges. The atmosphere is thin, offering little protection from solar and cosmic radiation. Temperatures can plummet to incredibly cold levels. Dust storms can rage for weeks, engulfing the entire planet. Astronauts will need advanced habitats, life support systems, and spacesuits to survive and work. They will need to be self-sufficient, resourceful, and resilient. This is the kind of challenge that defines a species that pushes us to new heights of innovation. Yet, the dream of humans on Mars is powerful. Several space agencies and private companies are actively developing the technologies needed for such missions. They are designing new rockets, spacecraft, and habitats. They are studying the effects of long-duration spaceflight on the human body. This is a global endeavor. It has the potential to unite nations in a common purpose, a shared quest for knowledge and expansion. Landing humans on Mars would be a monumental achievement, inspiring generations to come. The significance of human missions extends beyond just planting a flag. Humans bring a unique capability for exploration. We can make decisions in real time. We can adapt to unexpected situations. We can perform complex tasks that robots cannot. Geologists walking Martian canyons, biologists searching for life in lava tubes. These human explorers will unlock secrets far faster than any remote probe. A human presence on Mars would transform our understanding of the planet, and perhaps, our place in the cosmos. What if we find life on Mars? Even simple microbial life. That discovery would be profound. It would mean that life is not unique to Earth. It would suggest that life might be common throughout the universe. Imagine looking up at the stars, knowing that out there, life has sparked in other places. Mars holds the potential to answer one of humanity's oldest and deepest questions: are we alone? The search for life, past or present, is a primary driver for our exploration of Mars. Beyond the search for life, Mars offers resources. We know there is water ice, especially at the poles and buried underground. This water is crucial. It can be used for drinking, it can be split into hydrogen and oxygen for breathing, hydrogen for rocket fuel. Martian soil or regolith could potentially be used to build structures, perhaps 3D printed habitats. Learning to live off the land, to utilize these in situ resources, is key to establishing a long-term human presence. It makes sustained colonies more feasible. The idea of establishing human colonies on Mars is no longer just science fiction. It is a serious consideration. A self-sustaining outpost on another planet would be a remarkable achievement. It would make humanity a multi-planetary species. This has profound implications for the long-term survival of our species. Earth is wonderful, but it faces cosmic and terrestrial threats. Having a foothold on another world offers a kind of insurance policy. It ensures that all of humanity's eggs are not in one planetary basket. So, Mars beckons. It challenges us to explore, to discover, to innovate. It asks us to think beyond our home world. Will we find life? Can we build a new branch of human civilization on its rusty plains? These questions drive us forward. The journey to Mars is not just about reaching another planet. It is about understanding our universe. It is about securing our future. It is about the unyielding human spirit, always reaching for the next frontier, always looking up to the stars and wondering, what's next?